Hey there! Welcome to my channel. It's day 2 of our long weekend adventure. And today I'm taking you on a delightful stroll through the iconic Wall Street and the charming Seaport. Join me as we explore the bustling streets, soak in the historic vibes, and uncover hidden gems along the way. Our hotel, perfectly nestled in the financial district, gave us a head start. After a light breakfast, we stepped out onto Pearl Street, turned left onto Wall Street, and in just 10 minutes, we arrived at the iconic New York Stock Exchange. As expected, it's buzzing with tourists. After soaking in a vibrant atmosphere for a few minutes, the melodious chime of church bells caught our attention. We followed the sound and found ourselves at the majestic Trinity Church. According to its website, in the late 1600s, a small group of Anglicans wanted to form their own parish in what was then the mercantile colony of New York. Despite the presence of Anglican services in the colony's Fort Chapel, Manhattan lacked an official Anglican church. In 1696, a determined group sought to change this by petitioning New York's royal governor, Benjamin Fletcher, for a charter to grant the church legal status. Their efforts paid off in 1697 when Fletcher, acting on behalf of King William III, granted the charter. This paved the way for the construction of the first Trinity Church on Wall Street in 1698, proudly facing west towards the majestic Hudson River.